Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, you are going to learn CVC words and today's topic is EG word family. There are so many words with the sound of EG. And what is the sound? Egg. EG sound is egg. For more new educational videos, please subscribe this channel. Let's start. First word is keg. K-E-G, keg. K-E-G, keg. K-E-G, keg. K-E-G, keg. Next word. This is leg. L-E-G, leg. L-A-G, leg. L-A-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. Let's see the another word. Beg. B-E-G, beg. B-E-G, beg. B-E-G, beg. B-E-G, beg. This is peg. P-E-G, peg. P-E-G, peg. P-E-G, peg. P-E-G, peg. This is meg. M-E-G, meg. M-E-G, meg. M-E-G, meg. This is neg, short form of negative. N-E-G, neg. N-E-G, neg. N-E-G, neg. N-E-G, neg. This is seg. We often call segment as seg. S-E-G, seg. S-E-G, seg. S-E-G, seg. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe for more new educational videos. Stay safe, stay healthy.